Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial showing you how to use Try It On to get your AI Wes Anderson style portraits. So head over to our platform, log into your account or just sign in, grab your photoshoot credit. I already have quite a few, but grab just a regular one for the Wes style portraits because you won't need more than 100 headshots. If you have a promo code, you can enter it here. We use Stripe for payment, so once you've processed the payment, the credit will show up instantly in your home. So click on home and you will see it. It'll look something like this. You can even gift it if you like, but today I'm hoping that you're going to be using it for your Wes Anderson style portraits. Click on prep for photoshoot, select your gender, read the guidelines very carefully. Honestly, they're very simple. Just keep your selfies super natural. More selfies, the better. I'm uploading 18 and I'm making sure that I'm cropping people out. Do not crop your face and don't crop the top of your head. It's very important that the AI knows what you look like from chest upwards and that your eye color is clear. So I think I'm good. Oh, looks like I missed one. Crop it out. Here you go. So I've got 18 natural selfies ready to go. Click on continue. And there it is. Click on Wes Anderson style. Confirm some really small, confirm some items. So your eye color, green. This is just to make sure the AI's got it right. Hair color, I'm leaving because I have roots growing out. I actually want them to show in portraits. And that's it. Click on complete submission. I've already done mine, so I'm just going to show you some of the results. Here you go. So you get 100 images. Some of them you will love and some of them you won't. So just delete the ones that you don't like. And then the ones that you love, but maybe you want a little bit of a fix for the eyes or maybe the wrinkles, you can click on this little magic wand and it's called Enhance. So it will enhance your portrait. You will also double the size. So from 640 to 1280. And you can see the before and after. So very smoothed out, a little fix for the eyes. I love it. I hope everybody finds something that they love in this new collection.